Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the power to completely transform your home: lighting. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's jump right in. When we think about home design, lighting often takes a back seat. But it's more than just functional. Lighting sets the mood, enhances the aesthetics, and can even impact your productivity and well-being. The right lighting solution can elevate any space from good to breathtaking. Whether you're designing a cozy living room, a functional kitchen, or a serene bedroom, lighting plays a key role. And today, we're sharing practical tips, ideas, and examples to help you make the most of your home lighting. Let's start with the basics. Layering your light. This might sound fancy, but it's simply about using three main types of lighting: ambient, task, and accent lighting. Think of ambient light as your base layer. This is the general lighting in a room, like ceiling fixtures or recessed lights. Task lighting focuses on functionality. For example, a desk lamp for working or under-cabinet lights in the kitchen for chopping veggies. Lastly, accent lighting is your chance to highlight architectural features or decor, such as picture lights or LED strips under shelving. By combining these three, you create depth and flexibility in your space. One great way to enhance ambient lighting is by investing in dimmer switches. Not only do they allow you to adjust the brightness based on your mood, but they're also energy efficient. Imagine dimming the lights in the evening for a soft, relaxing glow while watching TV, or turning them up bright when hosting guests. Small adjustments can make a huge difference. Now, let's talk about color temperature. This is where things get technical, but stay with me. Light is measured in kelvins, and understanding this can revolutionize how you light your home. Warm light, around 2700 to 3000 K, is perfect for living rooms and bedrooms because it's cozy and inviting. Cooler light, between 4000 to 5000 K, works wonders in kitchens, bathrooms, and home offices where you need clarity and focus. Matching the right color temperature to the function of a room is a game changer. Speaking of game changers, have you heard about smart lighting? It's more accessible than ever. With smart bulbs, you can control brightness, color, and even schedules from your phone or smart assistant. Imagine walking into your home, and the lights automatically adjust to your preferred settings. Some systems even sync with music or movies for a fully immersive experience. Plus, smart lighting is great for energy savings. You can schedule lights to turn off when you're not at home, cutting down on your electricity bill. Now, let's look at specific spaces, starting with the living room. This is often the heart of the home, so your lighting should be versatile. Consider using a statement piece, like a chandelier or pendant light, as your focal point. Combine this with floor lamps or table lamps to create cozy corners. Wall sconces are another great option to add layers without taking up floor space. If you have art or bookshelves, accent lighting can really bring those to life. And remember, dimmers are your best friend here. Moving on to the kitchen, a space where lighting must be both functional and stylish. Under-cabinet lighting is a must for task lighting. It's not just practical, but also creates a sleek, modern look. Pendant lights above an island or dining table can serve as both ambient and decorative lighting. And don't forget recessed ceiling lights for even illumination. A mix of warm and cool light can work well in kitchens to strike a balance between comfort and precision. The bedroom, in contrast, should be a sanctuary. Here, soft lighting is key. Avoid harsh overhead lights, and instead focus on bedside lamps, sconces, or even LED strips behind your headboard. If you enjoy reading in bed, make sure your bedside lamp provides enough focused light without being too bright. For a touch of luxury, consider adding a dimmable chandelier or decorative pendant light. And if you have a dressing area, ensure the lighting is bright and even to avoid any shadows. Bathrooms often get overlooked, but good lighting here is essential. Around the mirror, opt for vertical lighting on either side to minimize shadows on your face. This is especially useful for tasks like shaving or applying makeup. Overhead lights can provide ambient light, but consider adding dimmable options for a spa-like atmosphere. If you have a large bathroom, Accent lighting under cabinets or along the baseboards adds a modern, luxurious touch. Let's not forget outdoor lighting, which extends your living space and adds security. String lights or lanterns can create a magical atmosphere for patios or gardens. Pathway lights not only improve safety, but also add charm to your landscaping. Motion sensor lights near entrances are practical and energy-saving. Solar-powered options are worth considering as they're sustainable and cost-effective in the long run. Here's an idea to keep in mind. Customization. Your lighting should reflect your lifestyle and personality. Love a cozy hig vibe? Go for warm, soft lighting with lots of layers. Prefer modern minimalism? Sleek fixtures and cooler tones might be more your style. Don't be afraid to experiment. It's your space, and lighting is one of the easiest ways to make it feel uniquely yours. A quick tip for those on a budget: you don't have to spend a fortune to achieve great lighting. Start with what you have. Replace outdated bulbs with LED options. They're energy efficient and last longer. Add plug-in wall sconces for a quick, stylish upgrade. Or use battery-powered puck lights for under shelves and cabinets. Small changes can create big results. Let's explore an example of how thoughtful lighting transforms a space. Picture a small home office. Before, it had a single harsh ceiling light that made the room feel cold and uninspiring. By adding a desk lamp with a cool white bulb, undershelf lighting for ambience, and a warm floor lamp in the corner, the space becomes functional, inviting, and visually balanced. This is the power of lighting done right. Another great idea is using lighting to make spaces feel larger or smaller. Bright, uniform lighting can open up a compact room, making it feel spacious. Conversely, strategic lighting with dim zones can create intimacy in larger spaces. Mirrors can also amplify light. Place them opposite windows or light sources to reflect and spread light around the room. Different interior design styles often call for unique lighting solutions. Let's start with industrial interiors. This style is known for its raw and edgy vibe, featuring exposed brick, concrete, and metal elements. Here, lighting becomes a bold statement. Opt for pendant lights with metal finishes, Edison-style bulbs, or factory-inspired fixtures. Track lighting can also enhance the industrial aesthetic while providing versatility. Consider layering warm tones to balance the rough textures with a welcoming glow. For minimalistic interiors, the motto is less is more. Clean lines, simplicity, and functionality are the hallmarks. Recessed lighting or track lighting is ideal as it maintains the sleek, uncluttered look. Pendant lights with geometric designs or slim, linear fixtures can serve as subtle statement pieces. Soft, diffused lighting works best here, creating an airy, serene atmosphere. Scandinavian design, with its focus on hygge and natural elements, pairs beautifully with warm, layered lighting. Floor lamps with natural wood finishes, soft wall sconces, and string lights contribute to the cozy ambience. Don't forget to take advantage of natural light by using sheer curtains or strategically placing mirrors to maximize it. Bohemian interiors thrive on creativity and eclectic charm. Here, you can mix and match lighting styles to your heart's content. Moroccan-inspired lanterns, beaded chandeliers, and colorful string lights add personality to the space. Use dimmer switches to create varying moods that align with the relaxed, artistic vibe. Modern interiors often highlight bold, architectural features, and the lighting should follow suit. LED strips can be used to outline key elements, such as staircases or shelves, adding a futuristic touch. Oversized pendant lights or sculptural fixtures make a dramatic impact in open spaces. Smart lighting systems that allow customization of colors and brightness are a perfect fit for this forward-thinking style. Farmhouse or rustic interiors emphasize warmth and comfort, with lots of natural materials like wood and stone. Lantern-style lights, chandeliers with wrought iron, and table lamps with fabric shades blend beautifully with this aesthetic. Coastal interiors are all about breezy, relaxed vibes, often inspired by beachside living. Lighting should reflect this by being light and airy. Rattan or woven pendant lights, glass lamps, and fixtures in soft white or blue hues complement the theme. Incorporating natural light through large windows or skylights enhances the fresh, open feel. For eclectic styles, the sky's the limit. The key here is to create a harmonious mix of different lighting fixtures without overwhelming the space. Combine table lamps, wall sconces, and pendant lights in varying designs, colors, and materials to add layers of interest.